First thing we have to understand is that a hoof knife, you have an edge on this side and the back side is flat, right? You don't have, it's not a double edged like your regular pocket knife, okay? So there's different ways that you can sharpen them. It doesn't matter as long as you keep a taper on this side and keep the back flat. So first we're gonna use a knife sharpener, but then we're gonna use a belt that's gonna accomplish the same thing just faster, okay? So to keep the back flat, I'm gonna run the flat side of the sharpener. And you can see that's just touching the top edge and the bottom edge of the knife. So if I put a little, if I paint this, just for the sake of demonstration, if I paint this, you can see that the sharpener is basically touching the top and the bottom. So it's not touching the middle. So it just keeps everything flat here, right? Then on this side, I want to keep the taper of the knife going down, right? So if I just run my sharpener here, just at the very edge, like this, I'm gonna get some sharpness, but the problem is I start to create a little bevel, right? And then that sharpness is not gonna last very long, right? So I gotta try to maintain this taper throughout the life of my knife. Okay? So when I'm running this, I'm basically just trying to color that. See how it starts to disappear? See? So then you keep doing that until you kind of, evenly get this section. Right? You don't have to come all the way to the top, as long as you understand that by keeping a belly there, you're gonna have to come back later sometime and remove that, right? Because your sharpness is just not gonna last as long, right? So you just keep doing that until everything goes away, right? And because I'm not a very patient man, you got an old 236 belt, for your multi-tool, and then we just cut a little strip, and you can put on your multi-tool like this. You got a good belt, and you're just gonna run and paint this first. Okay, this is the right tool. Pretty flat. Okay. So now I'm gonna go on this side. So you don't have to do this step every day, right? So I usually do that on my knives maybe once a week, and throughout the week I'm just touching up with the wheel, right? But every once in a while you have to come back just to remove those bellies there. And then I just have a regular muslin where you want to Grinder in the truck. On the ortho, just touch it up. Again, keep the back flat.